is going on, beautiful people? If you're new to this channel, my name is Amy.
And my name is Corbin.
And we are full-time resellers. What does that mean exactly? That means we go to yard sales, estate sales, Goodwills, pawn shops, flea markets, literally anywhere that we can go, buy something for super duper cheap, and sell it online for a what?
Profit, baby.
Exactly, and we will continue to do this until we are rich. Are we rich yet, Corbin?
No, we're not, guys.
We shall continue.
Okay, so this past week, we have taken into account every single item we have purchased, what we've spent, our monthly bills, food, gas, groceries, whatever it may be. We've tracked all of our expenses, and we're gonna show you all, what we spend in a week. So it's a combination of personal life as well as business.
One of our favorite YouTubers to watch is Graham Stephan. He goes through and he has these like react videos, and he reacts to people spending a bunch of money because he is a financial person. That is his niche. He loves money.
Money.
Which we do too. So we, as you may know, or if you don't know, we are not LA models. We don't have daddy's money. We just own our own little business. So we were just curious as to how much money we actually spend in a week. And you guys may be curious as well. So that is why we are making this video for you today.
So the first day will be Monday. Let's just hop right into the video.
Before I start off with Monday's expenses, I wanted to go ahead and say if you guys are new here and you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe because we post new videos 2 times a week, guys. And we also post shorts here and there. And I would really love it if we could get this video up to 700 likes. So if you guys could do that for me, go ahead and go down to the bottom and hit that like button for me. That would be fantastic. So today, guys, we aren't really gonna be spending anything, so we thought we might as well go ahead and tell you our monthly expenses and cut that down to a weekly price for you guys. But first up, we have mortgage, which is $650. Electric, on average, is about $60. Water is about $40 on average. Gas, $25. Garbage, $24. Insurance, $114, lawn care is $100, Wi-Fi $49, phone $45, Google OneDrive $10. I use that for my photos and videos and stuff. Xbox Live subscription is $20, HBO Max $20, Spotify $9.99, Apple Music $9.99, YMCA $72 because we are bougie. Hulu/Disney Plus is $20, and Sam's Club $5 year special. So in total for the month, we spend $1,278. Cut that down into a weekly cost. We have $319.50 for the weekly basis.
This is my little sister Anna. She has been working for us as a part-time cleaner of our house. We pay her $20 an hour, which I think is very fair. Very fair.
It's very fair.
Yes, especially how, she crashes her car like every other week, so we're really just trying to fund her car buying experience, and she's in college trying to be a pilot, I think, last time I checked.
No more.
Alright, well, there you go. Kids, Anna will come over once a week on a Monday or Tuesday, right? Mm-hmm. And she'll clean for 4 hours or so. So typically our weekly cleaning expense is about $80 because she's expensive. And Anna is trying to up her pay by learning how to package our items. So packaging is a major part of our business. The volume of packages that go out weekly is a lot for us to handle on top of running a YouTube channel and running our day-to-day business, life stuff. So I was trying to teach her how to package, but Whatnot is currently down. So we're just gonna go take them out to eat and discuss things for tomorrow.
We decided to pay for everybody because they drove 30 minutes over here just to learn how to ship. So this right here was the total. And if you're wondering, wow, you paid $12 for a tip. Well, first of all, we like to tip good. And secondly, the lady knew us. She's always super sweet to us, and she automatically put military discount on for us, so. Alrighty, you guys, today is now Wednesday, which means this is the day we are going to be spending the big bucks for no particular reason other than to buy some inventory. As you can see, we have a bunch of stuff to ship out, so that is what we are gonna go do. Then we're gonna go head to the bank, pull out some cash, and then we're gonna go get a smoothie. Just got our smoothie and just withdrew $1,000 cash to go get this collection bag. The Smoothie King was $21.59. You may think that might be a little bit crazy for just smoothies, but first of all, they're freaking huge, and second of all, they are meal replacements for us. Alrighty guys, we just got to Kroger's. Move this bad boy. We need to go grocery shopping. We're out of food. So.
Also, it's like 100 degrees here right now, guys. And I have not had AC in this vehicle for going on 5 years now.
Yeah.
And the reason is, okay, there's a few reasons. The lowest quote I got was $1,300 to put AC in this car. This car is probably worth $4 grand, let's be honest, right? Yeah. The car's also been paid off for 5-6 years. So it's very hard for me to put any more kind of, you know, money into this car other than standard maintenance, oil changes, tires, brakes, whatever.
And the AC, like, okay, so it doesn't work, right? But it still blows hot air out even whenever you have the system turned off. I don't know why, but it's so annoying.
Yeah, so if we always look like dirty and like just,
like we haven't showered for 3 days, insert comment there.
Yeah, it's because, you know, we do a lot of driving around, picking up collections, buying collections, meeting people, selling, and yeah, it just you just immediately start sweating in this vehicle.
Yeah, my wrist is sweating right now.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's go buy some food.
I'm literally dripping sweat.
So it was like $75, and then Corbin put in his alternate ID, which is his phone number, and it dropped down to like $64 or something.
65.
65.
Yeah.
Yeah, we saved 10 bucks. So not bad. We got like 2 days worth of food. We also need cat food, so feeder supply. Oh, you can't see it. Ah, there it is. Here we go.
Alrighty guys, this will be the last expense of the day. And I'm not proud of this one.
No.
Alright, I'm just gonna be honest, I'm not proud of this one.
No, neither of us are proud of this one.
This is probably our biggest monthly expense that is completely unnecessary, but it's just, you know, something that
we're a little addicted to. I'm sorry about it, Mom and Dad and everybody watching.
As you all know, heroin is a big part of the South. I'm kidding, guys. After 6 years of being in the infantry, after year 1, I started, you know, getting that nicotine buzz in. And, you know, when you're out in the field for 30 plus days straight with no shower, as soon as you wake up, you're sweating, you sweat all day, you go to sleep sweating, you're dirty, you're nasty, you're tired, you're sore. You need to have some kind of relief. Yeah, we typically buy 2 packs of pods every 10 days on average. So I'll go in here, I'll buy 2, and then I'll show y'all what the cost is, and then we'll, you know, show the monthly cost of, you know, how much money we waste a month on chasing that high. Hey guys, I mean, again, we're just being completely transparent. We're not people pleasers. We got no one to impress. We like to waste our money. Guys, we just got home. I know, like, you probably only saw 4 minutes of footage, but we were gone for about 4 hours. And our neighbor actually cuts our yard for us. We live on a good sized plot of land, so it's about 2 acres. And he only charges $25 to cut this whole yard once a week.
So today we spent $1,180.39. Now you may think, wow, that is a lot of money. And you would be right. So first things first, we went to the bank, we withdrew $1,000, but we only spent $989 of that, so I didn't count the rest of the money for that because that's just in the phone and we'll use that later. Then we went across the toll bridge, which was $4. Then earlier in the day, we went to Smoothie King. We spent a total of $21.59 for 2 large smoothies. Good times. Then we went to Kroger's. We spent $65.90 for some food. And then later on, we went to Feeder Supply. We spent $32.15. And then we went and did something that no one is proud of. We went and bought pods for $42.75. Don't be us, kids. And then while we were gone, our neighbor surprised us by cutting the grass, which he does every week. For the rest of the day, I'm going to be editing and we're going to be processing all of these new video games that we got and gonna cook some food because your girl needs to eat some food and put some meat on her bones, you know what I'm saying? Today is Thursday. This is going to be a big spending day. Today we have to go get Corbin's license plate changed over to the state that we're in, and we also have to get his new license so that the actual address matches. And then I have to go update my license because it expired once I turned 21. So we've got oil change, we've got transmission fluid, we've got licenses, we've got, oh, we're gonna go to Walmart and we are going to get some picture frames for some posters that we have. And then we like to go ahead and get a car wash every time that we get the oil changed, just to make it, you know, just to spruce it up a little bit. And then probably last thing that we'll do is go and pay our mortgage for the month.
This might be the most expensive day of the week.
It might be.
Because I know this, I've got to get my oil changed, I've got to get a new filter, and I'm going to get my trans fluid changed. 51 minutes, guys. We've been sitting here for 51 minutes. All right, guys, I don't know if y'all can see that. We have been here an hour and 45 minutes.
What was supposed to be a 20-minute oil change turned into a 2-hour oil change. Why? I have no idea. I guess their machines were malfunctioning. They didn't know how to shove a thing through a hole, and it was just wasn't going very good at all.
To be fair, most men don't.
True.
That was
at least the right hole.
Oh.
Okay. Because it took so long, they decided to give us a 20% discount, which is very nice, but I mean, 20%, what is that? The total was $225.03. That's a lot of money. The 2-hour delay has completely ruined all of our plans for the day. So we're just gonna go get some food and call it a day. So today, guys, we spent an ungodly amount of money. We spent $203 on Corbin's new license plate and his new driver's license. I spent $23 on my new license. The transmission fluid and the oil change was $225, and then after all of that was done, we went out and had some food and spent $40. And last but not least, I went and paid the mortgage, which was $650. Today is Friday, guys. I spent a total of $32.42. If you guys saw a recent video of ours, I went out and bought a Barbie video game. Barbie Jet Set Style, and it was freaking loose. Okay, that's how you know I'm getting desperate out here. But then again, this is for the collection. It was originally $5, but I didn't have any cash on me, so they said, oh, well, you have to spend like $7.42 in order to use card. So I was like, all right, screw it, just ring it up at $7.42. So that's what they did. But it will be linked down below if you are interested in watching it. I went to some pawns, bought a Barbie game for $7.42, and then after I got home, I went and picked up some Panera for Corbin and I spent $25. So all in all, not a bad day. Didn't spend a bunch, but still spent something, so I had to record.
Today is Saturday, guys, and as I've said before, my little sister is very expensive.
That she is.
So today we dropped $212. She knocked out our laundry, she knocked out the house cleaning, and we then went and got our food.
Yes.
Is that it?
Yep.
Yeah, that's it.
That's
okay.
it.
So $40 on the food, $92 on laundry, and I know that sounds super expensive, but she comes like once every 3 weeks to do our laundry, and she does it all at once, saving us so many hours so that we can actually work on our business and be freed up on time. So I think it's worth it.
Oh yeah, it's definitely worth it. I hate folding clothes, so yeah. Thank you very much, Anna.
Of course, the house cleaning, like, you know, it's nice to come home to a nice clean house.
Yeah.
Again, don't recommend doing this. However, as long as my little sister is in college, as long as she's, you know, motivated and productive, if we have the finances to support her and to help her out, then we will. My little sister actually works at UPS. She got T-boned in the parking lot, and her whole, you know, her car's totaled, her brand new like $32,000 car totaled, and she's actually out of work for over a month due to some back injuries that she sustained.
Yep.
And I really respect her that she was wanting to pick up more hours with us and wanting to work more with us when most people, you know, most 19-year-olds would be sitting at home chilling, watching Netflix. So I don't know, I'm really glad that she's motivated, and hell yeah, if you want to come work when you're injured or whatever, come work, we'll pay you.
Very proud.
Yeah.
Very happy.
Proud dad. Proud, I'm not dad, but like, proud big brother.
Proud dad. We'll go with that one. Alrighty, y'all, today is the last day. It is Sunday. We didn't do too much today. We went to Best Buy to go get some clearance games. The clearance games were $30, so $10 a piece. And then we also picked up some steelbooks for $8, so $38 in total. And then we went and got some food that cost about $33. So in total for Sunday today, we spent $71. Not too bad, probably one of our more cheaper days. After running the numbers, and I'll get into that here in a little bit, this is definitely one of our cheaper weeks. We have had weeks where we've spent upwards to 10, 15 to 20 grand just on video games. I don't know if it's because of the heat wave that we've been in recently, but people just do not want to get out of their house. Either they're just stuck inside playing video games, no one wants to have yard sales, no one really wants to drive over to us or meet us, and honestly, I don't blame them. The heat is insane. We don't even have AC in our car right now. I totally understand why people don't want to go out and sell their video games.
Okay, people. Time to tally up the total of what we spent this week. Kind of nervous about it. I looked at the total. I'm not devastated, but I feel like we could definitely cut some costs.
Oh, we could 100%. That's insane.
So Monday, we started off and we spent $0.
Yep.
Woo!
We stayed home. We cooked, all right?
I like that number. I like that number. Tuesday, we spent $48, I'm guessing, on miscellaneous food.
Yes, that was with Anna. We went and bought food.
Wednesday was the big day. We spent $1,180.39. Which is, yeah.
A lot.
It's a lot. That's painful. That's painful to read out.
It is.
Then Thursday, oh, wow. Back to back. Okay, so Thursday we spent $1,141. Again, it's just some things, you know, we can't avoid.
Yeah, some things you just can't, especially with the car and mortgage and all that good jazz.
Yeah.
You just can't avoid it.
Friday, $32.42 was spent on Amy's Barbie game and some food. Saturday, $212. Again, the cleaning costs, stuff that we could do ourselves, but we'd like to support my little sister, and then as well as free up more time to actually do business related task. Sunday, we spent $71.
Not bad.
Not bad. So our total spent, not including our utilities and bills and all that, our total spent was $2,684.81.
God.
Which, again, I mean,
it's not horrible.
It's not horrible.
There are people out there that spend more than us, but that's a lot.
That is a lot. But as you all saw, like, I mean, we do very high volume, number of packages going out the door, high volume sales.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much, it's kind of justified, I guess.
A little bit.
And then so the total with the bills is just over $3,000. So $3,004.31. So we spent about $3 grand this week, guys.
That's a lot of money.
That's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money.
That's a lot of money. Alrighty, guys, thank you so much for watching, and as always, we'll be chatting.
Boop.